guys, welcome to Spotari channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to make the Instagram account. Maybe you want to join for Instagram, and so let's see. This is the tutorial. First we click the Chrome, and then you search in the tab Instagram. Click login Instagram, more Instagram, and Chrome. After that you can click sign up and choose the one of phone or email. And choose phone and type your number. Click next here, and Instagram will be sent to confirmation. Okay, this is a number to verify your Instagram account. Click next here and fill the name and password you want. Next, after that you fill and about your birth. This is about your birthday. This is my birthday. And click next. And yeah, welcome to Instagram, and you have the nickname is Liana Aini 4. You can change username or you can to next. I choose the next. Yeah. If you want to connect to Facebook, you can click connect to Facebook. If you don't want, just skip at the photo profile. Maybe you want to show all people to your photo, and if you don't know, you can skip. Yeah, welcome to Instagram. So here you can have new account, and that's it. Thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful. Bye.